Wow, right? Isn't that a breathtaking $1 million view? Well, this view may cost you more than a few $1 million in any condo. But guess what? This one is well within your reach. Hi, I'm Glenice from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. And today, I'm going to show you the amazing 5-room flat that boasts all the elements of a highly sought-after modern condo unit. This high-floor corner unit at Block 8A Kallang Trivista has been given a complete makeover, incorporating a chic, modern look with quality finishings. This interactive open kitchen is the heart of this beautiful home, perfect for the daily family bonding over hearty meals and the regular entertaining when the extended family and friends visit. Fitted out with luxurious appliances, the attention to quality and details is evident in the seamless finishing, usage of space right down to the soft closing of all doors and drawers. All 3 spacious bedrooms are tucked away and enjoy excellent privacy, and of course, this property is everything you will ask for in a home. It's renovated with quality finishing and in pristine moving condition, saving you the headache of planning your renovation and dealing with contractors. Location-wise, it's unbeatable. We are just 3 minutes walk from Kallang MRT, and that's just 3 stops away from City Hall. Everything you need is literally at your doorstep. Supermarkets, coffee shops, and childcare centers serving your daily needs. Environment-wise, being fronted by Kallang River means that you get to enjoy the enviable riverside living that many can only dream of. Take your after-dinner or weekend strolls amidst lush greenery and the alluring riverfront. Coming home to this after a long stressful day at work drives away any fatigue or stress that may follow you home. Definitely good for your soul. So there you go. How often does a property tick all the boxes for you? This one is certainly one that you do not want to miss out on. I'm Glenice from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. Call me.
Call our AAG real estate consultant to find out more. AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.